Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. I believe this is a watch winder, but we'll get it open and see what it is. Hopefully it's not some random item from Amazon. Who knows? Seems like we get something every day from them, but anyway, let's get it open. Okay, yes, so this is a watch winder. I'll mark this video as a paid promotion. I did not pay for this item, so it will be in the description below. Oops. Trying to rip the rest of this off. I guess I should have cut it some more, but anyway, let's check it out. So these folks reached out to me and offered to send this over, so I agreed to check it out. Made in China. Mozsly, and I'm guessing it's Mozsly. I don't know, but anyway, watch winder for automatic watches. Let's get it open. I'm not sure how much detail I get into today in this video here. Just take a quick look at it here, I think. So there's the rest of the packaging. Some sort of fabric cloth on here. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see what's in the small box. I'm assuming AC adapters in here. So, yep. AC adapter there. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe that's for wrapping around the watch or putting the watch on. So yeah, this looks really cool. I got to pick the color, and of course I picked orange. Not sure how the watch goes in there. Looks like you can power it with some AA batteries. In and out. Oh, perhaps the out is for doubling them up if you have more than one, I'm assuming. So it makes sense. Let's see here. Let's see if I can read what this says. Put my reading glasses on here. So off. Looks like I can change the rotation. Then there's a headphone on there too. I'm not sure why that's on there. There's some different settings there. So let's read the directions. Assuming it's just twist. Yeah, okay, there we go. So it does have threads in there. All right, I'm not sure how that would. Seems like it's kind of long. Okay, let's read the directions here. I usually don't read directions, so we'll have to read them on here. Okay, so 2 years of service warranty. We provide 2 years of service before, but 3 years if you subscribe to our website. Okay, so I guess if you go on the website, you get 3 years warranty. If you don't, you get 2 years warranty. Okay, put that off to the side. Let's zoom in here. Maybe let's just be a quick look at the manual in the box, and they'll have to figure it out off camera, and we'll do another video here. Each winder depends on more than just rotation. Yeah, you know what? Let's just... Maybe I'll pause it and figure out how to put the watch in here, and I'll show you that. Okay, there it is right there. So I guess the thing just compresses. Oh, okay. Not familiar with that type of system, but there must be some kind of a spring in there. So what watch can we put? Let's do the SKX. I'll just throw it in here and then we'll close out the video. Just trying to give you a quick look at this. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and that does fit on there. So if you have a 6.5 inch wrist or even smaller, it should work for your watch. So there we go. Sorry, my camera setup's not the best in here for trying to display this. Screw that on there. You know what? Let me pause the video. I have an outlet right here, and we'll see what this thing does. Let me zoom back out a little bit. All right, we have it plugged in. So let me do the first setting here. Okay, so it's rotating. I can feel it. I don't know if I can really hear it. Oh, that's probably not a fair thing to do. Okay, now I changed. Okay, so I was rotating the other way. I guess that makes sense. Let's see what this other one does. It has a headphone on here. Yeah, no idea what that's about. Like I said, I'll read the manual and do a full presentation on this. Just kind of playing around with it right now. Now, right now I'm toggling through this other switch on the side. I have no idea what that does. I'm assuming this one here that looks like a headphone, I'm assuming it just rotates in one direction and rotates in the other direction. That's what I'm assuming that does. This here maybe is some kind of time schedule, but anyway, just a quick video to check it out. Yes, my SKX fits in there. I don't think if I unscrew this, I don't think it's going to turn off. Yeah, there's no sensors or anything on there. Okay, yeah, just a quick look. Like I said, I'll read the manual and we'll go through this in more detail in the upcoming video. So that will conclude this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. It really does help me out. And as always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.